Hey everybody! Today we are going to dive back into gut health, and I'm specifically going to talk about something called Candida. It is a naturally recurring yeast in our bodies, so we have it, we're born with it, but it causes a problem when it gets out of control. So it actually helps decompose our bodies when we die, if that gives you a little bit about its purpose. So how it gets overgrown, it feeds on sugar. So, our diet now, like if you've ever done the Whole30 and you see there's over 80 different names for sugar, it's in so many of our foods, that actually feeds this bad bacteria. And so that's one reason it can tend to get overgrown. Other reasons that it gets overgrown is just the use of antibiotics. But yeah, definitely big on the chart is, our processed foods, birth control, stress, alcohol, not enough sleep. All these things contribute to this yeast growing out of control. It actually is really good at protecting itself from your immune system as well. So it actually starts as this round cell, but then it transforms into an elongated cell, and that is actually able to penetrate your gut lining, and that allows toxins to leak into your bloodstream. You've probably heard of leaky gut. That's what leaky gut is. It puts all these little holes in your gut lining, and then toxins are able to enter your bloodstream. And so Candida causes a lot of inflammation in our bodies. Some symptoms to look for an overgrowth of Candida in your body, and I have a list here. I'm gonna read some of them because there's a lot. There's so many different things. But extreme fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, yeast infections, thrush, sinus infections, food sensitivities, nail fungus, skin issues, a weak immune system, joint pain, blood sugar imbalance, difficulty losing weight, poor sleep, allergies. There are so many things that this overgrowth can trigger in our bodies. Difficulty losing weight. It impacts so many things. Anxiety, depression. And so that's Candida in a nutshell. I'm excited to just keep diving into this with you all, but hopefully you learned a few things today.